want to do a really quick update. I got my voice fixed because there was something bugging it, and I don't know what it was, but still.
Big unicorn will join us.
So big. But still, so far, I'm gonna say 5 names in order from top to least. In first place, we have Gianna the Star. Well, my 4th, Gianna the Star, 1116. In second place, you have Alanido, or however you pronounce it. In third place, we have, we have, I can't remember her name. I call her Lily, but I forgot her. I'm ashamed. Okay, I think Pink and Blue Pony. 1, 2, 3. Pink and Blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Pony. In 4th place, we have Boony Girl Forever. And in last place, we have Vivi Cutie. Those 5 people have a really good chance of winning, because Friday is when it ends. And I wish you all good luck. I mean, really. So I'm gonna go through my big stuffed animals because I already showed you big fat one. Okay, let me go get them out, and you guys will listen to the song. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if it's bad, and